Hey guys, in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix Reddit server error. So first of all, always try to make sure that the server is working or not. So for that, what you can do is head over to your Chrome, search for Chrome and search for is Reddit down and tap on is Reddit down right now, and here you'll find the result. Now if you want to go to down detector, now scroll down. Here you'll find any Reddit server down issues. As you can see, the chart is pretty normal, but yesterday here around 4 to 5 p.m. there was most of the report, 84 people reported that the server was down, so it may be their problem. But if it shows that it's your problem, so what you can do is simply tap on the Reddit app, go to the I section. After that, scroll down a bit, tap on storage. Here you'll find clear cache and clear data. Simply tap on both of them. Tap on delete to confirm your decision. Now simply head back and try reopening the app, and this should solve your problem.